Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on CXAC, Cross Atlantic Commodities Incorporated. I've done this one 2 or 3 times already. I remember doing it during the stair-step pattern. Then the stair-step got destroyed as we had this big pullback here. It started to stabilize here out, and now we've actually started to form a new stair-step pattern. We'll see if it can hold up and proceed, but I did want to get this updated as I've been receiving some requests on it, and it is kind of an interesting chart. The first thing to kind of note is you can see volume has come to life. Actually, here we had a nice little stair-step pattern in terms of volume just increasing, got bigger and bigger, and then on Monday had way above average volume in comparison to the this whole section worth of days. Had a pretty wild day. Closed up here at 0008, and then today had a bigger pullback, but the stair steps are still holding, and I'll explain that in a second. So we'll see if there's going to be a new stair step coming, or if this was just kind of a one-day wonder with no really strength behind it. That's what's great about charting. It'll help you figure that sort of thing out, and you don't have to really guess, because all you have to do is watch the chart, watch price action, volume, all that stuff, and you'll be able to figure out whether or not there's any true strength behind this move here. So the old stair step, what it is real quick, is just simply with these 000 stocks, pretty much every level is a support, every level is a resistance. So lots of times you'll have stair steps where you can take kind of one or two increments at a time. Here you can see it started off just 0001 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and so forth. Here we're covering a little bit more ground, which is good. But nonetheless, the stair step pattern does apply, because this is still down in the 000s, and it's still got some progress to make if it's going to kind of get out and have more of a fluid motion in terms of kind of what the chart looks like. But as I'd said in the beginning of this video, the stair step was pretty much ruined there because the price just came down too much. Had this big volume red day there, which showed a lot of selling. But then we evened out, and the even out point, so we'll call that the base of our new stair step, was right here at 0004. Now, one thing that can be said, however, is in the longer term pattern, the stair steps are still going up. We had a low here, we had a low here, and now our newest low is up here. I'm talking a little bit more short term, but if you are a longer term player that has faith in this long term, that stair step is still intact. We had 0001, then we had this low here at 0002, and now 0004. So I should have mentioned that up front. I am taking this from more of a shorter term perspective, so keep that in mind. But if you are somebody that's playing this maybe from a weekly chart, or just plan on holding a long time, you're still okay in terms of that overall stair step pattern. But back to the short term. So our new base here for this stair step is just right here at 0.04. which, as I just explained, was formed during this whole period. The price finally was able to move up here and then get some closes up here at 0005. So this became the new support level, and let me make these a little bit thicker here. So right here we had 0004, 0005, and now the new stair step we're trying to work on is making 0006 a support level. I thought it was going to hold after that day, because as you can see, the low was 0006, so I was hoping that this level would hold, but unfortunately it didn't, and we dropped back down here. So that's the new level that hopefully we can put in there, is 0006. Now we are still holding it in terms of closes, but ideally I'd like to see the lows hold above that level. So right now it is a stair step, because like I said, we are holding above it, so technically this is a stair step that's been formed, but we're really kind of teetering on the edge of losing it as support. So here are 3 stair steps that we're slowly making ground up. Now the key resistance level, stair step I should say, is just right up here at 0008. Yes, we've gotten above it once, but we've never been able to close it. We've hit it 1, 2, 3 times and then bounced back, and here we closed at it but could never close above it. So this is our key resistance level, and I'm going to make this one extra thick just to remind everybody that 0008's kind of the big bad wolf here, the level that we want to try to get through. And then yes, this 0011 is another resistance level, but one step at a time. Let's just see if we can get a close above this 0008 level up here. The other thing to watch, as always with these sorts of charts, is volume. If volume can stay like it has been, that's going to be a great sign, but you need volume to be able to push these sorts when there's so many shares out there. So keep that in mind. If volume drops off to that again, the stair-step pattern may hold up, but it's not really going to make any progress. You're going to need to see volume stay relatively high and strong in order to keep kind of the momentum and so forth building. So keep that in mind also. If you do have any other questions on the chart, let me know. It's been a good past couple of days. Don't get me wrong, I thought the chart was done after this, but it's recovered nicely, and now it's just a matter of seeing if this recovery can stay strong and keep working upwards. On another note, I'd encourage you to check out bullmarketnewsletter.net. If you go there and sign up for the ebook, or sign up for the newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, which has been getting very good reviews. So I'd encourage you to sign up, and with your subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. We've been making our members some good money, so it's worth checking out. And best part is no strings attached, it's all free, so you really got nothing to lose. One more time, this was CXAC. Thanks for listening.